Stress management. Stress. What is stress? Tanav, the mental tension, the idea of not feeling well, thinking about something, not able to work properly, mind. Have you ever felt? I'll just give an example before I go ahead. The kids are always worried they will not pass the exam, or they might not have prepared for a topic or some discussion. Might be the question will come from that topic which they haven't gone through. So there is always a fear of unsuccessfulness in life. Everyone will have it. Okay. Yes, this is stress. That is the fear of failure, the fear of not getting what you want. This is stress. Okay. But the thing about that stress where a life is at stake. Stress is always good if it is in limited time, limited amount. But if the stress goes along for prolonged time, you are always in stress, some problem, mental tension. Life is all about like this way. Sometimes you will have happiness, sometimes you will not be happy. You will be sad, happy, sad, happy, sad. But that sadness should not grow into stress. If some situation comes like this, you will be getting some health problem, hypertension, diabetes, mental pressure, even the breakdown and mental troubles. Okay. So what is stress actually? Let me give you a definition. Stress can be defined as our emotional, related to your feeling. Okay. Happiness and like this. Then mental is because you think from your mind. Then physical, it can be you might have some disease, say you have some kidney in your stone, sugar patient you have become. These are all social reaction. Because you live in society, how you react, there's certain condition which comes. So all these emotional, mental, physical and social reaction to any demands or threats which are perceived as demand or threat. So the demands and threats I am talking about are stressors. They are creating stress. For example, if you want a bike, your father is not giving you a bike, or your demand is not fulfilling. This is a kind of stress you will develop. Okay? Means, see, you will not get everything. Your idea of getting everything will never be achieved. Even the most richest people want more. Okay? For example, threat. If you're going to a jungle, you'll always be worried about some animal may attack. That is a threat. Okay. So something may happen, something is always there which is related to your demand and threat and your outburst, your reaction. These are stress. These are stressors. I'll give an example. See, if you have to give exam and you always feel I'm unprepared, there's something I should have read, you feel always unprepared. There is one more thing. If your mother, father, your girlfriend, your best friend, and one thing I would like to mention here, child, anybody, men, women, if they lose their child, it's like, it's like a death only for mother, father. I know that. So experiencing a loss of someone else. And then sometimes you're worried about yourself. You are not very confident. That is, you cannot speak well, or you are not dressing well in people. That is also a stress. And if you have seen most of the accidents, they are caused because of night, dark, lack of sleep and liquor, alcohol. So this lack of sleep is also a cause of stress. We will always be stressed. So these are all examples of stress.